Can you imagine? These trending channels gain hundreds of thousands of subscribers in just a few months and millions of views. And you'd never guess, every single video is made entirely with AI. Not just views, they're cashing in thousands of dollars every month. Take this story channel, for example. Each video racks up over 20,000 views and pulls in over $28,000 a month. And this animation channel? Every video hits 200,000 plus views, with monthly earnings over $32,000. And how much do you think they spent? You probably think you need dozens of AI tools, then edit, composite, dub. It's expensive and complicated. But actually, you only need one tool, one prompt, and a few clicks to generate a full video. That tool is Videoinu. It can generate videos up to 30 minutes long. Keep characters perfectly consistent every single time, no random face swaps. Whether it's horror, 3D animation, or Ghibli style, it nails them all. Type a prompt, and it instantly creates your story video. No switching between AI tools, no complicated editing, no huge credits needed. It even has Nano Banana built in. You can tweak a single scene, one character's expression, body shape, or camera angle, and the rest stays perfect. Many people are already earning steady income this way. If you also want to create these videos and start making money, I'll be giving away 3 Pro membership accounts for free. And I'll reveal the giveaway at the end. So today, I'm revealing every single step, showing you how they actually create these videos, how they grow, and how they monetize. The most important part? You can do this too. First, head over to the Videoinu website and log in using your Google account. Once you're in, you'll see a super simple interface. To create a video, just click the Create Immediately button under AI Video Generator. As you can see, making a video is really just 4 steps. Step 1 is all about setting up your content and the basic video settings. Start by entering your script prompt. You actually have 2 modes to choose from. If you only have an idea or a story outline, the Smart Script mode will expand it into a structured script. So don't worry if you're not experienced at writing scripts. The Basic Script mode, on the other hand, takes your script and directly generates storyboards, dialogue, and actions. For the best results, I personally recommend Basic Script. That's what I did. I asked ChatGPT to write a full script and then pasted it right here. Next, pick the video length. Even if your script is short, Videoinu can expand it to match the duration you choose. It even supports videos up to 30 minutes long. Then, on the left side, set the aspect ratio. 16:9 works great for YouTube long videos, while 9:16 is perfect for TikTok or YouTube Shorts. Below that, choose your video language. There are tons of options like Spanish, French, German, etc. I'm going with English here. Finally, pick a style that fits your script. Options include 3D animation, cinematic, Ghibli style, and more. Then click Next. Wait a few seconds. You'll see that your script has been automatically split into 12 shots. The first line shows the video subtitles, and the second line describes the storyboard for each shot. You can tweak anything you're not happy with, or click this button in the top right to edit all scenes at once. For example, you can adjust timing, indoor versus outdoor settings, or even the weather. Once you've got everything looking good, now let's move on to step 2. Now this step is all about creating your characters, which will be used in every shot of your video. And this is exactly why Videoinu can keep your characters super consistent across all scenes. The best part? You can generate all your characters completely for free, and it's all based on your script automatically. Just click Autocast, wait a few seconds, and boom, you'll instantly get all the characters you need. Pretty cool, right? This feature saves you tons of time because you don't have to design every character from scratch. If you're not happy with the results, no worries. You can regenerate them as many times as you want, totally for free, until you find the perfect look. You can even edit individual characters. Videoinu also offers a few public characters, which you can use right away if they fit your story. But if you want to go custom, just click Create and set the attributes like gender or age. Then paste in your character prompt. I'm using one written by ChatGPT, and click Generate Image. You'll instantly get your personalized character. Once it looks good, hit Confirm, and the character will be updated. I followed the same process to replace each character one by one. When you're done, click Next to move on to step 3. Now we're in the storyboard section. On the left, you'll see 12-shot thumbnails, all fully prepared. In the middle, you get a preview of each shot, where you can clearly see that the characters you just created stay perfectly consistent across all scenes. Below the preview, you'll find the subtitle lines, and you can edit them anytime by clicking the little edit button next to each one. Right beside that is the voiceover section. Here, you can choose between a narrator voice or assign a specific voice to a character. There are over 20 realistic voices to choose from. Just pick one you like and hit Preview Voice.
Milo steps from the forest post office.
If it doesn't sound right, you can switch to another or even try voice cloning. Trust me, this can make your video sound truly unique. All you need to do is name your cloned voice, set the gender, and upload a clean voice file that you want to clone. To get the best results, make sure the recording is noise-free and contains only one speaker. Wait a few moments, and your cloned voice will be ready to use. Now on the right side, this is actually my favorite part of Videoinu. You can control your characters freely without breaking the visual consistency. Click Edit Characters, and you'll be able to swap their positions, replace characters, or even create new ones from scratch. Then, by changing the shot prompts below, you can regenerate specific scenes. And the best part? It doesn't cost you any credits. That means you don't need to start from zero or waste tokens every time. Just fine-tune a single shot to make your scene even more perfect. So, let's keep going. If everything looks good, you can move on to the next step. You'll now get a storytelling video in a slideshow format. It looks nice and uses fewer credits, but honestly, it's hard to monetize. So, let's take it up a notch and turn those still images into smooth, animated videos. Here's how. Go back to step 3 and click Animate on the right. You can either choose Animate All, which generates all your shots at once, or, like me, do it one by one. Because here, you can select different animation models like High-Luo, C-Dance, or Cling. You can even enable lip sync, so your characters actually talk. Since my script doesn't have dialogue, I'm going with Cling, which makes the animation smoother and more natural. Then choose whether to generate the video automatically based on the scene, no prompt needed, or use custom prompts for more control, which I personally recommend. Fill in your prompt, click Confirm, and once all your shots are finished, transition, hit Next to move forward. Finally, we've reached the last step, setting up the final details of your video. This includes things like the cover, subtitles, and background music. First, choose a shot you like to use as your cover. By default, it'll use your short film's title as the file name. You can also set a custom font for the title, or simply choose no text at all if you prefer a clean look. Next, pick a subtitle font that matches your video's vibe. Then, from the music library, select a track to use as your background music. Of course, if you'd rather add your own soundtrack later in your editing software, you can totally skip this step. And that's it. Just click Generate, and boom, your AI animated story video is ready to go. Now you can download it, share it. Let's take a look at the final effect.
Milo steps from the forest post office, eager for the morning route. Across a golden meadow, Milo bounds through tall grass, satchel bouncing. Under the oak, Milo presents a tiny acorn letter to Nibbles. Milo crosses a clear stream on stones, ripples shimmering in Sunday. In a quiet white forest, Milo leaves neat footprints in fresh snow. Frost waits on a snowy log. Milo offers a bright red wool scarf. Determined, Milo climbs the slope, boots biting into packed snow. Milo bounds through a bright field of flowers, colors dancing in Sunday. Near a bush, shy Milo accepts a shiny red berry from Poppy. In a small clearing, Rusty receives a wooden box of shiny stones. In a wide, windy field, Milo sprints, ears and satchel streaming back. At sunset on a hilltop, Milo sits quietly, silhouette calm and content.
In just a few minutes, you can create this kind of 3D animation. It's honestly hard to believe. And the crazy part is, this is just the beginning. On the right sidebar of the storyboard, you can fine-tune every single detail of your characters. For example, their expressions, furious, screaming, even crying, or their body shape. You can literally turn this fox into a muscular version of itself. You can also switch camera angles freely, top view, side view, back view, whatever angle you want. On top of that, there are tons of built-in effects that make your scenes look more dynamic and atmospheric. You can even change specific elements in a scene. For example, if you want to change the color of scarf, just open the prompt box and type, "Change the red scarf to green." The built-in Nano Banana model will automatically keep the character consistent. And just like that, the scarf changes color perfectly. By now, you probably know how to create a high-quality AI animation video. So next, let's talk about the most important part, how it can actually make you money. As you've seen, many channels that started with AI animations are now earning from ad revenue, making anywhere from $2,000 to $30,000 a month in passive income. And the secret behind those massive views? It all comes down to a strong script and unique storytelling. A story with tension and continuity keeps viewers hooked, eager to click on the next episode. But story alone isn't enough. All those viral channels share one thing in common. Their characters always stay consistent, and their visuals are simply stunning. That's where Videoinu truly shines. It keeps your characters perfectly consistent, lets you fine-tune every detail, and supports multiple visual styles, even for long-form videos up to 30 minutes. So there's really just one thing left to do. Log in to Videoinu right now and claim your 500 free credits. And if you want even more, don't forget the giveaway I mentioned at the beginning. I'll be giving away 3 Pro memberships. All you have to do is like this video, subscribe, register on Videoinu, and drop a comment telling you what you love about Videoinu and what you'd improve. 2 weeks from now, I'll pick 3 winners. So what are you waiting for? Go try it out. Start your AI animation journey and make your first $1,000 online.